Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with 2 USB ports with auxiliary input jack, HD surround vision, preferred equipment group 1SL, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ride and handling suspension, rear park assist, 2-way power driver lumbar control, OnStar emergency communication system, heated driver and front passenger seat, Buick infotainment system with 8-inch display, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.